Hello, folks. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. My coaches are Trevor Carr, Max Gerstenmaier, and Fergal Downs. This is a massive opportunity for you folks, so if you are interested, please click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the line mentality in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. Bonus number 1 relates to affiliate marketing made easy, and it shows you the trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates. Bonus number 2, you can access our full-length 28 videos from our executive series, and each video is professionally designed and includes an introduction, a content roadmap, and discussion points. And this is a $295 touch, folks, so this is a significant bonus. Man Up Men, Take Care of Yourself, PLR bundle is bonus number 3, and this is a deep dive into why men have difficulty living a balanced lifestyle and what they can do about it. It includes a 15,000 word ebook, 48 Man Up tips, references, 10 articles, free images, 3 infographics, 4 posters, checklists, email follow-up, and there's a further 6 bonuses. Bonus number 4 is the Changing Workplace and How Leaders Influence Change PLR package. And this is a great bonus related to the line mentality, because it gives you practical strategies and constructive approaches and ways to engage people to make positive changes. It's a good resource for consultants, coaches, bloggers, e-marketers, and leaders of all stripes. And bonus number 5 really is a bonus for your children. It's a dinosaur ebooks and coloring books, and they're designed to keep your little ones busy. The vendors behind this product are Yu Sean and Callie Lee, and they are 2 prolific creators and vendors in personal development and self-help niches. They have over 33,780 sales just on Warrior Plus platform, and I highly recommend their products and services. In a nutshell, the Line Mentality is a PLR guide for people who want to unleash their inner strength, embrace leadership, and achieve their goals with a lion's mindset. Now, here's some things you should know about this product. It's 100% done for you package. It's in a very hot niche that people want. It is fully integrated sales funnel with push button sales material. And you can claim it as your own because it's PLR. And you can use it for your ebook, articles, and blogs, or just sell it as it is. Now, if you want to develop mental strength and resilience to overcome challenges, break through self-doubt and build confidence, lead with courage, purpose, and integrity in all areas of your life, step out of the shadows and take bold action, strengthen your mindset and stay focused, overcome fears and setbacks, live life with determination, passion, and fulfillment, then seriously consider this product. Now, there's lots of things you can learn from this 10,000 word self-help guide, and that includes a mindset and embracing your natural leadership qualities, breaking free from self-imposed limitations and stepping into your authentic self, developing a growth mindset and continuously seeking new knowledge, leading with integrity and inspiring those around you to achieve greatness, facing your fears head on and turning them into fuel for success, and adopting the boldness and courage of a lion mentality. People who might be interested in this product are business owners, self-help coaches, anyone who wants to leverage this PLR to set foot in the lucrative niche instantly, And anyone who is interested in self-improvement and personal discovery, regardless of age, sex, profession, or ethnicity. The sales funnel looks like this. The front end goes from $13.95 to $19.95. So I suggest you get in early because it'll increase as sales increase. And in that front end, you get the premium quality ebook, complete checklist, comprehensive mind map, converting sales page, a thank you page, video sales letter, exclusive lead magnet, professional landing pages, follow-up email swipes, stunning graphics, and license certificates, plus 3 fast action bonuses. PLR Pro upgrade is for $47, and that's the OTO1 product. And this has a downsell, but you can receive with this product high quality videos upgrade, upsell page, video sales letter, slides to all the videos, video transcripts, audio files, and so on. And OTO2 is a $97 special PLR bundle package where you receive 4 of the best-selling PLR packages in one special offer. And all the packages come with a full front-end product and pro upgrades. And OTO3 is a done-for-you installation service, depending on what it is that you want to purchase. And it's from $77 to $147. And OTO4 is a membership site for $27 a month or $197 a year. And it is the Abundance Print VIP membership site. So you want to get in early to get your latest PLR products every month. Now, if you need to know more, click that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, don't forget to check the bonus bundle. The Affiliate Marketing Made Easy, access to our full-length 28 videos from our executive series, Man Up Men, Take Care of Yourself, the PLR bundle, the Changing Workplace, How Leaders Influence Change, the PLR package, and the several children's dinosaur ebooks and coloring books, plus the fast action bonuses you receive from this product, which makes a total of 14 bonuses for this package. Now, thank you for listening, folks, and we'll see you next time.